je suis au téléphone là. Tu vois?
Tu me trouves comment?
Bah, je sais pas, je m'en fous quoi, je suis au téléphone.
Bah alors, qu'est-ce qui te retient de m'embrasser?
Ta gueule.
Going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein, little Einstein. Going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein, little Einstein. Yeah.
I'm washing me in my clothes.
Drunk as fuck,
bitch. I'm washing me in my clothes.
doing shit.
I'm washing me in my
Drunk
clothes.
as fuck,
Bitch, I'm washing me in my clothes.
Go back over that way, because I got a feeling y'all about to come over here.
Alright, yeah, back up. Yeah, go that way, Tom.
I'm fighting both of you.
Deal! He's smacking the shit. Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out!
He was some hot shit, bro. He was some hot shit. You know that. He was some hot shit. 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 Damn, my nigga.
Who in the fuck hurt this man? Listen, if you fucked him and you did that to him, you keep that pussy away from me and my family members. Oh my gosh, he hurt. Him hurt. Him.
Yo, suck my dick. Suck my dick. Ah. Oh shit. Ah.
Babe, what's wrong? Why are you crying? You don't like your haircut? Well, let me see it.
That's what you asked for. Take, but that's but.
That looks nice.
I mean, what is, I'm sorry. What do you feel in terms?
Ah, meu filho, eu livrava das piranhas do fogo. Das piranhas? Não, pai!
I can't wait to see you, baby.
Hold on, babe. What's up, boy?
What's good, nigga? Let's run 1 and 2K.
But I'm gonna call you right back, but I'm about to get paid, boy. That's all I'm saying. You gonna let me eat that ass?
No, nigga!